Good morning, and welcome back to Jody Lewis Creations. In today's video, we are just going to do an intro to a project, trying not to give away what else is on my desk. I am still in the throes of trying to pack and running out of time. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support and encouragement and kind words and all the love. You guys are amazing. Okay, so this is an introduction to a journal that I've been commissioned to make. So I'm just going to share with you what I have. Now, the digital kit is from Tina over at the Ephemera Vault, and I have to tell you, she was amazing. I reached out to her and asked, hey, do you have something like this on your list of things that you're going to create? And she was like, well, what do you need? So I basically told her what I needed, and she definitely delivered. So I just want to share this with you, show you kind of what I have gathered, kind of what my thought is, and then so you will see this. I'm going to be working on this like right away, as soon as I'm in a situation where I can get it worked on. And but I just wanted to share with you the kit so you can go to Tina's Ko-fi shop and check it out. Okay, this is upside down because it's a comparison sheet and it's a misprint, but I wanted to show you. Now, when I show you this, you might be like, oh my goodness, okay? I used matte photo paper and best quality print, okay, for the whole kit. Is how I printed it. It took me forever to get it printed, but my printer is just, I don't know, I think snails are faster. So here we go. Look at the vibrancy. I just feel like I'm sitting here and I'm actually seeing the northern lights. Now, my printer had an issue. I'm not worried about that. This may just be a page that I trim this down or do something with. To hide that, I could even cut just this off of it and make it an odd shaped page. This was my printer. This is not the kit. But the vibrancy in these are just amazing. So I'll just flip through these, show you the pages so that you can see what is available. Let me zoom out just a smidge. I have this sitting on top of a pile, so it's affecting how it is in the camera. Get my fingers out of the way so you can see it. Just feel like I'm in that kayak and just in that river. It's just beautiful. Okay, here's a comparison page. So this is the matte photo paper best quality, and this is 32-pound paper, just regular print. So this is a lighter print. I don't dislike it. It's absolutely fine on the 32-pound paper. But since I did the whole kit like this, I'm going to use these, but I think I would have been just fine with the 32-pound paper or just normal print. It's fine. But I'll use this. I need to clean my printer heads. It's acting goofy this morning, but anyway, that's neither here nor there. He's so cute. So lots of ephemera, lots of great pages to work with. So definitely, and I mean, these are still damp. I'm gonna lay them all out. I think I'm gonna go lay them across the bed with the ceiling fan on, just to make sure they're good and dry before I pack them away. Okay, so that's the kit. And then you see I have other stuff gathered here as well. So I was making Christmas tags the other day, and these were just some leftover bits, and I thought, well, maybe I could use them. I have a piece of ribbon here. I have some a Grateful Heart, a faith-based card, some Alaska playing cards that incidentally I also bought from Tina's claim sale in the Facebook group that she does that in. I have some blue tulle here. I have just a couple of cool little cards I thought I could use. Just some music pages that I put in here. I have a Stampin' Up! Forever Forest stamp and die set that I thought I could use. And I can use this for Alaska, but I'm also going to be using this for Christmas stuff. So I'm not just packing it specific. Well, I am packing it specifically for this journal, but I can use this in Christmas and or winter stuff as well. Okay, another faith-based card. Some score sheets. The people that are receiving the journal really like playing cards. So another faith-based card. Oh, things are all out of order. I've just been tossing this stuff in a bag. So I was pulling it out. I was like, oh, these are a sheet of checks that I thought would make good journaling pieces to put in pockets. This is going to be Alaska. I have a big atlas book, map book, and I love this, so I thought this would be really cool in it. And then I had gotten some Alaska books that I've disassembled, and so I just have some really great book page images that we can use and get that worked into design somehow. I don't know why that's separate, but okay. This is the book plate out of one of them, and I just like the speckled blue. I don't know if that's showing or not. More book pages to use. And I had sent Tina a video of the book pages that I had pulled out, and also sent her some information that was given to me personally for this journal. And so she just ran with it. So I am very, very grateful. I have some gray cardstock here to use for some bases. I also have some gray file folders because I think I'm going to make a file folder journal. And I do think that, avalanche. Yep, there they go. I think the grays are going to be nice with this as well. I have navy blue file folders, but I think that the gray is going to work as a neutral. Let's see. And I'd already had the gray picked out before I printed, so I think it'll be a nice contrast. And then I had also sent her these scrapbook paper pad that I found the other day, and I thought it was just a really pretty paper pad to work with. So you'll see me work with these as we work on the journal, but I just felt like it worked, and it's got some glitter, and the colors are, again, really nice, and I think it's going to lend itself really well. And then just some like gray-brown pages as well to use. So you'll be seeing this coming in videos soon, and so yeah, I have to get this done because it is a Christmas present for somebody, and so we'll be working on that. We will get the sewing one done, the quilt envelope thingy done. That's kind of gotten put on the back burner, and I'll work with this kit. It showcases Tina's work as well and gets this present done. And then, so we just have all kinds of projects coming up. Let's hope and pray that I can get them done and do them all justice and be on the ball for all the things that I need to do. So thank you for joining me, and hopefully this inspires you to kind of dig around and see what you got and dig in your stash. And, you know, what are you working on? Are you making a Christmas present? Are you working on something? Let me know in the comments below. And do remember, head on over to Facebook, join the Facebook group, share your creations there. We love to see inspiration and what other people are making. So thank you for joining me. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. I'm back. This is Sunday, November 3rd, and I have an addendum for this video, and I'm struggling to get through it. So the person who commissioned me to make the journal was just an amazing soul and truly one of the kindest, best people I'd ever met in my life. And unfortunately, she was called home last night. So I am not sure how I'm going to proceed with this Alaska stuff. So I want to go ahead and post the video because I really want to showcase the kit for Tina. She did a lot of work for me and just created an absolutely beautiful, beautiful kit. And I'm just not sure how I'm going to proceed at this point. But I just wanted to say that. So again, thank you guys for joining me, and thank you for your continued support, and thank you for your understanding. I just wanted to pop on at the end of the video and ask you to please go over to Tina's shop and show her some love, because she really put a lot of effort into this kit for me, and I cannot express my gratitude enough to her. I just am not sure where the passing of this amazing person leaves me with the creation of this Alaska journal. So, okay. Thanks for joining me. Bye.